Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make explainer videos in Canva. So you will be needing a few tools here like ChatGPT, 11 Labs for voiceover, and also Canva. So first is first, what you're going to do is you need to create a script. So you have to go and create an account on ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's for free. So let's just say you will ask ChatGPT how credit cards actually work, script, and also scene. So you need to be very specific here. After that, tap on enter. Then ChatGPT will give you a sample script and scene for this one. So the title is How Credit Cards Actually Work. You have scene one, scene two, scene three, and all you have to do is to copy and paste this to 11 labs in order for you to generate a voiceover. You can also use CapCut for that. Before that, you have to create an account on Canva. Create an account, sign up, tap on create a design. And then here you can look for, let's just say, a presentation, or if you want to use it to Instagram, to Facebook, everything is up to you. So here in Canva, you can search for like videos. Tap this one right here. And then after that, since we're going to create explainer videos, you can click videos. This is the size and ratio for videos right here. You can go to templates and then look for a template if you want to use any of the template in Canva, or you could also go directly to elements. Now here in the elements, you can search for a specific keyword or niche or anything like you wanted to use here on your blank project. So for example, if you're looking for, let's just say office, and I strongly suggest to use graphics. So all you need to do is drag the graphic to the blank page. This is what it looks like. You can add more elements if you want. So basically, if you want to add an element, but you're looking for animated one, you just have to scroll and then you have to look for the animation. So you have to swipe, tap on animation, and then click animated. Then Canva will show you this samples right here. And to make your explainer video more catchy, you have to look for an animated version of the element or object. So, for example, if you're looking for a man talking or explaining something, then all you have to do is drag that element right here in the blank page or in this office scene right here. And then after that, you can now add a voiceover. But actually, it's up to you. I know that you can do better than this. You can look for other elements. For example, if you want to delete or change the scene, then all you have to do is go to templates for elements and then look for animated or type first the keyword or the word and then look for animation and then tap on animated and you should see the following. You can add also like text or script or whatever you want here. And once you're okay with your scene, then it's about time to add a voiceover. So it's up to you if you want to add more blank page for your explainer videos and any clip that you want here, you can drag it, or you could also edit that one or this one later using the CapCut. Now, once done, you can now go to ChatGPT and then copy the script. Go to 11 Labs, paste it. You can change the voice character if you want. So there are tons of voices right here. Then once you're done, then you can now generate. And then once you're satisfied with that, then you can tap on the download icon. So as you can see, there are tons of voices right here for male, female. Everything is up to you. You can also search for a specific one, for example, British, but make sure that you are using the upgraded version of 11 Labs to use more voices. So once you have added that voice, then you can generate and then download this. So once you have downloaded this audio file, then you can now go back to your Canva and then upload this. And it's the same thing. All you have to do is drag the audio below the blank page or the page here in Canva. So tap on upload, go to audio, select the audio right here, and then drag it below. And just do it for the rest of the audio. And feel free to edit again. You can edit your graphics, your elements here. And for the audio, if you're not satisfied, then you can go back to 11 Labs and then change your audio. So that's it. Now you can add more elements. You can add also caption or text. There is a caption choice or application here in Canva. If you're using the Pro version, you can just add captions automatically. But if you're not, then you need to upgrade your Canva into Pro version to unlock that feature. So this is how simple it is to create and explain your videos using Canva. Just pick the correct element. You just have to go to elements and then search for a specific word. Then if you want graphics, videos, everything is up to your animation, like animated version. You can search for animated. So after that, you can download this MP4 and this is what it looks like. So here you can also listen to the audio and then you can just upload it wherever you want. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.